Hello everyone, and welcome. This is Judy coming to you from my scrapbook loft, and I want to thank you for taking time to visit with me. I really appreciate it. What I'm doing, you all, is I've made some waterfall cards, and Alex is wanting a tutorial. Hi Alex. Alex is a bullet for my snail mail, and I wanted to get this done for her while I could. Okay, I've got my pieces cut out. If you all saw my Enjoy Red With Us card that I did for Annie Creates and by Mimi with Loves collab, you saw that I did a red waterfall card, and Alex wants to know how to make it this way. Okay, so I've already cut my pieces and I've got my card. It's a 5x7. I'm using Paper Studio Floral, I think is what it's called. I'm not sure. I've had it for about 20 years, so yeah. Anyway, I've got everything cut out and ready to go, and all I need to do now is to make my band that pulls my waterfall card. And my cards, the matting is 3x3. So I want to do my first score on 3, and then I want to do it on 1/2, which is 3.5, and then 4. This is going to give me my folds for my cards to flip up. And then I always fold on the mountain side of the score. And the reason for that is it'll last longer in the working mechanism way. So I'm scoring them down, I'm getting them started, and then I'm going to crease them. And then I'm going to put my first card on, and I'm going to eyeball it and center it up, okay? And it's going to go on this 3-inch score here. Do not go over the score line. Got to do the wrong one there. I got to get used to my new setup, my new camera holder and light and all that stuff. Yep. Here we go. Now I want to center. I'm just going to eyeball it, you all. It'll be all right. Now for the next half one. And you don't want to go, like I said, over the score line. You want to go up to the score line. And you're going to line it with this one on the bottom and that one this right at the score line, or just not over it. Don't go over it. There we go. And now for the next one. Lining it up, not going over the score line, but lining up my cards to where they're the same. Now we're going to make our belly band to put on it to hold it in place. Let me cut this down just a little bit. I don't want to leave too much, or the thing, it won't pull down if I don't. I don't leave enough room. And then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to mark where it's at, but I'm going to score it 1/8 of an inch bigger than that. One inch there, and then I'm going to do 2 1/4 because that one's at 2 1/8. There we go. Then we're going to slide it around this and glue it down. Just the belly band. That's all we're going to glue is the belly band. And then we're going to take this piece of the belly band right here, and we're going to glue it to this end of this 3-inch, that one solid card there. And that's where we're going to glue it, right to there. Right to there. Okay. And then there it goes, see? So now we're going to glue it to our card. But I think I want a piece of pattern paper on this. No, I think I'll do something else. I'm going to do something else. So this is going to go here. I'm really not happy with that like that. So I'm looking at, I think I'll look at something else. No, I think I'll get pink. There's pink flowers there, so I think I will get pink. Need a little pink, just a little pink. And I know these are 3, so I want it 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. See what that does. I'm just guessing. It's all right. That'll put a little, there we go. Now I know what color I'm going to use on my pull tab. All right. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to center it. As best as I can. My hubby always says, he always tells me I have a crooked eye. That's why I use the ruler and stuff, but I'm not doing it this time. Now there's my background. Now I'm going to take this belly band here on this side, here, and I'm going to glue it down. That looks good to me. There we go. I'm going to cut my band off here. Let me see where I want it. I think I want it to come to there. There we go. Now, I want, how long do I want my pink piece to be? Three 1/4. And I think that might do it. And I want it 1/2 inch. I think I'll do 5/8. I think that's a 1 inch or 3/4 inch. It's a 1 inch. I want 3/4. I almost cut my finger. Okay, let's see this. This is where we want it. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it here. It stuck on me. It's stuck like glue. There we go. And there you all is another flip card, waterfall card. And now you can put your sentiments on the top part of the card or on the back side of the card. It's whatever you want to do. And if you want to embellish it, you can, but if you want to mail it flat, then you need to keep it as minimal as possible. How easy that is. Perfect. And then you just put your cinnamon on the inside, put your stamp on the back, and there you are. Alex, I hope this has helped you. It's real easy, sweetie. Real easy. So, if y'all are not subbed to Alex over at A Bullet from a Snail Mail, please go over and show her some YouTube love. And I want to thank you all for watching, and thank you for the privilege of your time. Hugs to you from me, and God bless.